Hello class, my name is Ish Stabos and I will be your instructor for IDT G18, Teaching and Assessing Writing. In this video I'm just going to offer you a quick tour of our course in D2L. Obviously you can see that I'm giving this video in the development course, but our live course should look pretty much exactly the same. And I'm currently in student view, so everything that I show you should pretty much look like how you're going to see it. So on this first page here, when we come into the course, this is the course homepage. You'll see announcements displayed here. Obviously the course has not begun yet at the time of this video, so you see no announcements. However, that's worth checking on a daily basis, particularly during our online days. The other area of note on this screen on the right hand side is the calendar, in which you can get a quick snapshot of upcoming due dates. So you can see, for example, a lot of things due on December 11th, which is our those are the assignments for our first day of class. Now, when you come into your course, after you get to the home page, where you're going to spend most of your time is this content section right here. And I'll show you how content is organized. There are a number of modules on the left-hand side, and here we are. The first place you're going to want to check out is the Getting Started module. It contains all of the information you need to know about, obviously, getting started in the course. So I'm obviously not going to click through everything in here, but just to show you some of the important links. For example, here you can find my contact information as well, and a little clickbait here. There's some cute pictures of my kids in there. Down here we've got obviously the official course syllabus and the addendum, which is my very brief policy document. This is a course for instructors, so try to keep the policies pretty straightforward. I am going to open up the IDT 18 course schedule here just to show you how some of the ways that the course is organized. So this is a 5-day accelerated hybrid course. So we are doing a lot of work very quickly, and this schedule you can go to basically tells you on any given day what you need to do. So you can see day 1 is an online day, and everything for this day is going to be due the following day at 9 a.m. What over here on the bullet points show you exactly what you need to do for your week, or for your day, I should say. And you can see it'll tell you what unit to go to. So for example, on your first day of instruction, Monday, you're going to go into the Unit 1 module and complete these tasks. So I'll show you what that looks like here. If we go back to content and we go to the Unit 1 module, you can see here is the reflection assignment, here is a video to watch, some reading, and a discussion board. And you can see that day 1 actually covers 2 units. So the other material for you to access for this day is in Unit 2. I'll also cover all of this stuff in detail in my daily announcements for online class sessions. And so on. Day 2 is a face-to-face day, so I've given you a pretty clear schedule of what we're going to do, the agenda of how we're spending that day. And so on and so forth. The course is hybrid, and it cycles back and forth: online, face-to-face, online, face-to-face, online. Okay, so we're back here. Let me go back to Getting Started where we were, just to point out one other useful section. In addition to the course schedule, here down below are some video tutorials for navigating D2L from both an instructor's perspective and a student's perspective. So if you've not used the system, or if you've never used it as a student, these might be helpful for you. So from there, let me just jump into one of these unit modules. We have 7 units to cover and 5 days to do it in. So, like I said, it's going to be busy. Some days we're going to cram a couple of units, and then later on in the week it'll just be 1 unit per day. But what I've tried to do for each unit is basically put things in the order that you should probably do them. That's the most straightforward and reasonable way to complete the assignment. So, for example, here in Unit 1, I would recommend starting at the top and working your way down. Start by completing this reflection assignment, then watch this video, then do this reading, then complete this discussion board, and so on and so forth through the other units. Some other places that you might want to know about. This course schedule link here will basically show you everything in the course that has a due date attached to it. So right now it's showing you what's in the next 7 days. You can click here for the full schedule to see everything. Of course, we only have a 5-day course, so you won't really need that. And then another very useful feature or place to go is grades. If you check out the grades here, and now there's probably not going to be too much here because I'm obviously not actually a student, but this is where you can see all of the grades for all of the various assignments. So that about covers it for the course tour. I tried to build a fairly straightforward course, and as I mentioned before, our first day is an online day, so you should begin by reviewing the stuff in Getting Started, and from there you can use the schedule to know that you're going to complete Units 1 and Units 2, and you can do all of those straight through the unit modules. If there are any questions or wondering about anything, don't hesitate to give me a call or send me an email. You can find my information in the Getting Started area. And I look forward to seeing you on Tuesday, which will be our first face-to-face class in Dover. All right, I hope this video has given you a help, and good luck in the course.